Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with something really super fun and exciting. Craft Supplies for You is releasing kits, and this is the very first kit, and it's been a long time coming, and we are finally ready to release them, and all of us are very, very excited about this. So I wanted to come on and show it to you. Now these kits are only going to be available in the Craft Supplies for You Facebook group, and of course you will find a link to that down below in the description box. So you have to go to the Facebook group. If you're not a member, please ask to join, and either Julie, myself, or Maggie will add you to the group. There is a kit for myself that I designed, a kit by Maggie White that she designed, a kit by Amy Love that she designed, and a kit by Olivia Hernandez that she designed. And at the moment, there is only 4 of each kit available. So I have 4 of the Kim kit, there's 4 Maggie kit, 4 Amy kit, and 4 Olivia kits. And each kit, we have handpicked some of our favorite things and colors and stuff that we like to create each of the kits. So when you go to the KS4U group, you need to say which kit you want. There'll be photos there that you can choose and comment under that you want one of the kits. Each kit is $30, and you get everything that I'm about to show you in the kit. So it's a very good deal and a really good bargain. This kit is a great kit just in time really for Mother's Day. It is going to be a hand mirror kit, and this is the mirror that you receive. And I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on altering this for you guys, so that will be coming up shortly after this video. And you can see that this is the mirror, and there it is. There is my ceiling. In my craft room, that's my ceiling, and you can see that it's very pretty. Nice mirror. So, and it's got all this beautiful scroll work on it. It's really, really lovely and pretty. And there's more scroll work on this side as well. Little heart at the bottom. It's super pretty. So that's the mirror that you will receive. And in the kit, my kit is called the Blue Butterfly Kit, and I will explain to you why that is. So I'm going to start off with the laces first, and you will receive a yard of this beautiful embroidered trim with these with this rose vine on it. You get a yard of that in the kit, and it's beautiful to gather it. Really pretty, and it's a lovely, really pale blue, almost into the periwinkle color, but not quite. You get a yard of that. You get a yard of this gorgeous polka dot trim, and this is going to look beautiful ruffled all around the mirror. You can see that's going to just look amazing around the edge of the mirror. So you get a yard of that. You get a yard of this gorgeous, gorgeous lace, which I love right here. It's a beautiful lace, and it's got the little top stitching on it that I love. That's why I chose this one. Gorgeous gathered lace. It's got flowers and leaves on it. So you get a yard of that, and you also get a yard of this beautiful, I call it rope trim. It's a little gimp trim, but it's in a gorgeous blue, and it's got the satin stitching on top, which is another one of my favorite elements in lace. So you get a yard each of those. You get 5 of the blue loopy flowers that we call loopy flowers. They're called 3D flower trim in the store, I believe, but we all call them just loopy flowers. So you get 5 of those. You get 1 of this gorgeous pearl and beaded applique right there. And you get a small white doily, and this is the doily that I'm using, but the doily you get will be slightly different than that, but it's fairly close. It's fairly close, but it'll be a small white doily about that size. You get this gorgeous, big, beautiful butterfly applique. It's absolutely beautiful. It is organza, and it's all stitch. It's really pretty. So you get that, and then you get this little butterfly applique. So one of those. You get this gorgeous, beautiful rose applique, and this can be cut up. There's lots of pieces on there to use for the mirror. So you get that. And the bling, you get this, which is one of my favorite charms. It's a little glittered butterfly, and it's on a hanger, and the hanger says Friends on it. And probably the camera won't pick that up, but it's very pretty. It's all glittered in silver and blue. I love this little charm. So you get one of those. You get one of the large bling with pearl and rhinestone pieces. This is a gorgeous piece. I love these. And you get another of my favorites. Last but not least, you get this gorgeous butterfly pin with the dangle pearls. Super gorgeous. So that is the kit. And like I said, you have to go to the Craft Supplies for You group to order these kits. They will not be sold in the store. So I'm just going to show you the pieces again. Doily, all the bling, the flowers. Like, you have everything you need here to create something absolutely gorgeous. You get that beautiful lace. You get this beautiful lace. And you get the polka dot lace, and of course you get the mirror. So there's plenty here to work with. You'll probably even have some left over for another project or a little side project if you wanted to make this into a gift or keep it for yourself. It's a great value for money for $30. So remember to check the link in the description box for the Craft Supplies for You group. Go over there and check out all the kits by myself, Maggie, Amy, and Olivia. Decide which one you would like, and they will be there. And I hope you guys will enjoy these kits. We've got more in the works, so it's going to hopefully be a fairly regular thing from Craft Supplies for You, these kits. So we're all really excited about it, and I hope you are too. So let me know what you think in the description box. Go over onto the group and check it out, and I will be back with a video showing you how to put this all together very shortly. Take care. Bye-bye.